Do your legs feel heavy in the morning? Do they feel cold, numb, tight, or weak when you get out of bed? Welcome back. And before we begin, let me ask you something simple. If you're over 50, maybe you're 52, 58, 63, or even in your 70s, do you feel like the blood isn't reaching your feet the way it used to? If yes, then this video is made exactly for you. And if you stay with me until the end, I promise you will discover a drink so simple, so powerful, so effective, that within days you may feel a warm, light, flowing sensation in your legs that you haven't felt in years. So don't skip anything. Every second of this video matters. But let me start with a question you may never have asked yourself. Why do your legs feel heavier now than they did 10, 20, or 30 years ago? It's not just age, it's not just fatigue, it's not just getting older. Most of the time, it's poor blood circulation, especially in the lower body. Your heart is pumping, but the blood isn't traveling freely down to your calves, feet, or toes. And when blood flow slows down, your legs feel stiff, sore, cold, numb, or tired very quickly. Today I'm going to show you one simple morning drink that helps increase blood flow to your legs fast. It takes less than a minute to make, and people over 50 swear by how quickly they feel the circulation improving. So stay with me. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do it right now. I upload helpful, real-life, practical health tips every week, and I don't want you to miss any of them. Picture this. It's early morning. You open your eyes, stretch your arms, and as soon as your feet touch the floor, you feel that familiar heaviness. Maybe your calves feel tight. Maybe your toes feel numb. Maybe your ankles feel stiff, like the joints are locked. Or maybe after 10 or 15 steps, you feel something burning or pulling in your lower legs. This is one of the earliest signs of poor circulation. And you might not realize it, but this doesn't start at 50. It often starts slowly in your 40s, sometimes even earlier, but becomes noticeable after 50 because your blood vessels naturally become narrower. The drink I'm going to share works because it helps expand those tightened pipes. It helps your arteries relax so blood can flow more easily. When your blood flows better, your legs warm up faster, stiffness reduces, and you can walk longer without fatigue. But before I reveal the drink, let me help you understand something important. Blood flow is like the electricity of your body. If it does not reach one part properly, that part becomes slow, weak, and uncomfortable. When blood flow reduces in the legs, your muscles get less oxygen. Your nerves fire slower, your joints feel stiffer, your legs feel heavy, your feet feel colder, your steps feel unstable. And the most dangerous part? This happens gradually, so it doesn't feel like a major issue at first. But one day you realize, why are my legs feeling heavier every morning? Or why can't I walk as long as I used to? This is exactly why this morning drink matters. Because it works on the inside, where your legs actually need support. So imagine, before brushing your teeth, before breakfast, before your usual tea or coffee, you drink one simple mixture that wakes up your blood vessels. A drink that immediately signals your body, start sending blood downward. Open up the pathways, warm the legs, activate circulation. People over 50 notice 3 common improvements when they start this drink. Their legs feel warmer in the morning. Their walking speed improves. Their feet don't get numb as often. Now let me tell you something very real. Your legs aren't weak, they're undersupplied. They're not failing. They're asking for better circulation. And this drink is like giving them a fresh boost of life. But when your blood flow improves, your legs feel awake again. Almost like someone switched them back on. And here's the best part. This drink doesn't require expensive ingredients, supplements, or anything complicated. It's made with things that support nitric oxide, blood vessel widening, anti-clotting flow, and oxygen delivery naturally. But before I reveal the drink, I want you to understand exactly why morning is the most important time to improve leg circulation. When you sleep for 6-8 hours, blood flow naturally becomes slower. Because you're not moving. Gravity isn't helping push blood downward. Your muscles are not contracting, your veins are not pumping. So when you wake up, your legs are in a low circulation state. If you don't fix it early in the morning, it affects your whole day. You feel tired walking. Your legs feel stiff when sitting. You get cramps randomly. Your feet stay cold. You lose balance more easily. That's why doing the right thing first thing in the morning matters so much. And that right thing is this drink. Now listen carefully, because the way you prepare it, when you drink it, and how often you drink it, all of this matters. The drink combines one ingredient that improves blood flow, one ingredient that opens vessels, and one ingredient that warms circulation and breaks morning stiffness. And when all three work together, your legs feel lighter, warmer, and more active. This drink can help your blood move more freely into your legs, feet, and toes, especially after 50. The first ingredient is warm water. Not hot, not cold, just comfortably warm. This is important because warm water gently relaxes your blood vessels. Cold water can tighten them, and very hot water can shock your system. Warm water tells your body, wake up slowly, safely, and smoothly. It prepares your arteries to open up and receive better blood flow. The second ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Just half a lemon is enough. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and natural compounds that support blood vessel flexibility. Over time, stiff blood vessels are one of the biggest reasons circulation slows down in the legs. Lemon helps keep those vessels elastic so blood can move without resistance. Many people underestimate lemon, but this simple fruit plays a powerful role in circulation and heart support. The third ingredient is raw ginger. This is where the real magic happens. Ginger naturally increases warmth in the body. It stimulates circulation, reduces internal inflammation, and helps blood move more freely instead of thick and sluggish. You don't need much. About half an inch of fresh ginger, grated or crushed, is enough. Ginger sends a clear signal to your body to increase blood flow, especially toward the lower body. Optional, but very helpful, is a small pinch of turmeric with a tiny pinch of black pepper. Turmeric supports healthy blood flow and helps reduce stiffness in joints and tissues. Black pepper activates turmeric so your body can actually use it. This combination has been used for centuries to support circulation and reduce inflammation. So here's how you make the drink. Take 1 glass of warm water, add half a lemon's juice, add crushed or grated ginger. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper if you like. Stir well. That's it. No blender, no supplements, no expensive products. Now here's the most important part. When and how you drink it. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Before tea, before coffee, before breakfast. Sip it slowly, not all at once. As you drink, sit upright or stand. This helps gravity assist blood flow down toward your legs. Within 10 to 20 minutes, many people feel a subtle warmth spreading in their body. Some feel it first in their stomach. Others feel it in their thighs or calves. That's circulation waking up. Within a few days of doing this daily, people often notice their legs feel lighter in the morning, their feet feel warmer, their stiffness reduces faster. Walking feels easier, standing feels more stable. Now let me be very clear about expectations. This is not a miracle overnight fix. This is a daily support system for your circulation. Just like brushing your teeth every day protects your smile, this drink protects your blood flow when done consistently. And consistency is everything. If you drink this once a week, nothing will change. If you drink it for 2 days and stop, nothing will change. But if you drink it every morning for 14 to 30 days, your body adapts. Blood vessels relax, flow improves, muscles receive more oxygen. Now let's talk about what not to do, because this is just as important. Do not drink this ice cold, do not add sugar, do not drink it at night, do not drink it after a heavy meal. This drink is meant to wake your circulation, not slow it down. Now let me talk directly to you for a moment. If you're over 50, your body doesn't need extreme workouts. It doesn't need harsh supplements. It needs gentle, consistent signals that say, keep moving, keep flowing, keep circulating. This drink is one of those signals. But here is something even more powerful. What you do in the 5 minutes after drinking it. After finishing the drink, don't sit down immediately. Stand up. Gently move your ankles. Slowly lift your heels up and down 15-20 times. This activates the calf muscle pump, which pushes blood upward and improves circulation dramatically. This simple movement combined with the drink multiplies the effect. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need speed. Just gentle movement. What if I already take blood pressure or circulation medication? This drink is natural food-based support. However, If you are on medication, keep the quantities moderate and observe how your body responds. This drink supports circulation, but does not replace medical advice. Another question people ask is, how long should I continue? The answer is simple. Make it part of your lifestyle. Many people over 50 drink this daily for months because it makes them feel better, lighter, and more mobile. And here's the biggest mistake people make. They wait until pain becomes severe. Don't wait. Circulation problems are easier to improve early than later. If your legs already feel heavy in the morning, your body is asking for help, not punishment. Now let me say something important, and I want you to really hear this. Aging does not mean suffering. Aging does not mean weak legs. Aging does not mean poor circulation. It simply means your body needs smarter care. This drink is one small step, but small steps done daily create big changes. If you've watched this far, it means you care about your health. So do one more thing for me. Subscribe to the channel. I share simple, practical health solutions made especially for people over 40 and 50 who want to stay active, independent, and strong. And before you leave, comment below. I'm starting tomorrow morning. Writing it makes it real. Try this drink for 14 days. Notice how your legs feel. Notice how your mornings change. Notice how your walking improves. Your legs carry you through life. Give them the circulation they deserve.